Finally, Uber just dropped a new feature showing all the hot zones in your market. Is it a good thing or is it a bad thing? Is Uber trying to get its drivers to go out there and work more or make more money? Let's talk about it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below, because I already know you're going to like this. So, all right, crew, Uber just dropped a new feature. They just dropped a new feature showing the hot zones in your market. I feel like this could be beneficial because a lot of drivers don't know where to work, where to go. This is a great way to show where you should start. So I'm gonna break it down in the video, talk about where I think is good or what I don't think is good. But first, let's get into new features on the app. Okay guys, this is the new heat map. Let's get into it. The new delivery heat map waits less and earns more. So here's the heat map right here. Here's the email that they sent. Let's get into it and let's see what they're talking about. All right, so it's saying to go into the app and turn on deliveries to see the hotspots. Now, this is super important. Obviously, if you're trying to do deliveries, you want to make sure that you are access to work deliveries. So make sure that you have the deliveries on and you're ready to go. Let's go into the next step. Hotspots are shown in warm colors. So as you can see, red means that it's busy. Super, like really red means it's busy. A lighter red color means it's not as busy, and yellow means immediate. So this is straight explanatory. This is good. If this is going to make the jobs a lot busier, if this is going to make it busier for us to work, us knowing where the warm areas are that we can just drive to, like this is like the DoorDash hotspot. So hopefully this is actually a hotspot and not just a spot on the map that DoorDash just wants you to go or Uber just wants you to go. Let's go on to the next. Map icon spotlights high activity areas. So as you can see, it shows you the busiest restaurants and stores in the neighborhood, while gray dots mark less busier options. Clusters indicate high order activity and higher chance to receiving deliveries. So, I mean, it's very straightforward. This is going to be good if it actually works. Tap icon for more details and to navigate here. Icons are labeled by business types like cafes or grocery stores, so you can plan for the type of requests you'll get. Tap any icon to navigate there. So yeah, this is it. I mean, straightforward. Hopefully we can go out here, make some money, and it's easier and busier for us to make money and easier to find the locations and the spots, the hot spots that we can go make this money. Let's get back to it. Well, there you have it. I think this can be beneficial to us drivers, especially those who are new to the app, who don't know where to work. This could really help you pinpoint which areas you should go to work, the hot zones, and where you could potentially make more money. See, that's the thing, potentially. I don't know if this hot zone is going to be anything like the DoorDash hot zone, where you go to those hot zones and it's not busy. It's like almost they're just drawing all the drivers to one particular area. So like the DoorDash hot zone is not a good map. Hopefully this Uber Eats hot zone map is actually better. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. You guys give it a try too in your market. In the comments below, you guys tell me how it is in your market. Tell me what you guys think. If you feel like this is a good feature, if you guys are gonna make more money using it, just let me know in the comment section. If you're getting value from my videos and my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. That's all I got for you guys. Until the next video, it's your boy AD signing out. Peace out.